let's draw Granny. I already drew it earlier for us to have a guide. Let's start with her head. Just draw a skull shape like, followed by the details of her face. Then her hair. Now I'm gonna draw her dress. Hope you guys doing fine. Just putting some details on her dress to make it more look interesting. Now we will go for her arms. And don't forget her signature baseball bat. Just putting some details on her dress. Time for coloring. Let's color her face and body with the color peach. Granny is one of the enemies in an arcade horror game in which you must find your way to escape the old rooms and hallways in Grandma's house. Have you guys played Granny before? Now let's color her hair with a light gray. Since her dress is color white, I'm gonna put some shadow on it to make it more look interesting. Now let's color this baseball bat a color orange. Are you guys doing fine? Just doing some finishing touches to make it more look scary. And don't forget to put some blood-like on it to make it look scary. Also put on her mouth. Yay, we are done! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.